Hey, in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, you can actually find a lot of very useful options, and it's really hard to pick like the best 10 or 15. So I'm just gonna show you my favorite one. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how you can use your smartphone and control it with your voice. So you'll have to go to the settings, then scroll down all the way down, go to the accessibility, and then pick on the interaction. Then go into the voice access, then simply turn it on. If you have any pop-up notifications, just accept all of them. And now it's also very useful to be familiar with all of these voice commands. So from here you can find some basic navigation, like you can see all voice commands, open tutorial. Take a look, there's actually a lot of different stuff. But let's say that I want to turn on my volume. So I have to click on this button, and now I have to say volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down. As you can see, it's actually changing the volume level. But let's go to the home. Go home, open gallery. There we go. As you can see, it looks really impressive for me. I didn't even know that something like this is actually on the Samsung smartphone, but yeah, it is, and it really works. And if you like spend some time with all of these comments, probably you don't even have to click on your screen anymore, because you will be able to use your phone with your voice. Next, let's move to another option. What is really important for me, that's actually all of the security. And when you go into the settings, let me just turn it off. There we go. So now we'll have to go into the settings and open the security and the privacy. Then we have to go into the app security, so it's right here, and then go into the app protection. Now I can recommend you to turn it on, and from this you've got actually built in the antivirus that will help you to prevent some scam and other features. So if you are like often downloading something, definitely the APK files, it's worth to scan your smartphone just to be sure that there's like no any viruses or any other bootload on your smartphone. So yeah, next one, we'll go into the live translation of the phone calls. You can actually find this option when you go into the settings, go into the advanced features. Now from here we have to open the advanced intelligence, and we've got the phone real-time translation. So now, okay, for some reason it's actually not available. Let me just try to go back. Live translate. There we go. Okay, that's weird actually. It's for some reason turned it off. Okay, I probably know why, because I just didn't input the SIM card. But normally you can actually turn on the live translation, and you can simply pick your language and the speaker language. So now when you are speaking with someone, for example, you are like native English speaker and someone is native Chinese speaker. So you will be able to hear all of these Chinese phrases automatically translated into the English. And the other person will be hear your English sentences in the Chinese. So that's really great feature. And yeah, let's go for another one. We've got also some shortcuts. So we have to go to the settings, move into the advanced features. We have to go to the side button, and as a default we've got actually the quick launch of the camera. So when I double tap quickly on the volume down button, on the power button, as you can see, I can quickly turn on the camera, but you can actually use it to open any application. And for example, you can link, for example, the flashlight. So now when I double tap on the power button, I can turn on and turn off the flashlight. You can also link a lot of different apps into this, apps and features into this site. button. And next, I'm going to show you how you can get more RAM memory on your smartphone. So when you go into the device care, you can actually go below, open the performance profile. No, not here. Sorry guys, we have to actually go into the memory. And from this, we'll be able to find the RAM Plus option, and we can get 6 or even 8 additional RAM storage. So if your smartphone slow down, it's actually useful to try this feature and get 8 gigs. And after this, you will have to restart your smartphone. Next, we can also quickly zoom in our screen if you need. So go into the settings, open the accessibility settings, go into the vision, and from this find magnification. Now when you click on this icon like this, you can quickly zoom the part of your screen, and now we can move in and zoom in even closer. There we go. Next, to turn it off, you can just click here, tap close, or simply click here on this button, on the accessibility button in the right bottom corner. And yeah, that's all. You can also get the secure folder. So this function actually allows you to store all of your photos, videos, almost everything that you have on your phone, locked with the password. So nobody will be able to open your gallery, your Facebook, and other files. And you can actually find the secure folder when you go into the settings. Click here, get the secure folder. It's actually on the security and the privacy. And from this, you can actually set it up to your own preferences. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.